and calumniating time. Troilus and Cressida 3.3
美貌智慧门第地理，事业、爱情、友谊和仁慈，都必须听命于妒忌而无情的时间。特洛伊罗斯与特瑞西达
You gods divine, make Cressida's name the very crown of falsehood, if ever she leave Troilus. Troilus and Cressida 4.2
神明啊，要是有一天特瑞西达背叛特罗里斯，那么就让他的名字永远被人唾骂吧。特洛伊罗斯与特瑞西达
Beauty, where is thy faith? Troilus and Cressida 5.2
美貌你的真诚在何方？特洛伊罗斯与特瑞西达
Take but degree away, and tune that string, and, hark, what discord follows. Troilus